So dear students, I have opened your notebooks, a fresh page. Put today's date on the left side of your notebook. Write exercise 3.1. Ready? So we are supposed to start question number 3 today. In the notebooks, the question says arrange in the vertical. Vertical I have added because arranging in column is always vertical. I have added this word for you. And subtract. Right? Vertical is not written in your books, but arrange in column means arrange in the vertical column. So the first question says 96,547 needs to be subtracted 23,214 from it. So as I told you on the first page of the previous video, we write the bigger number on the top. It is also known as the minuend. Then we write the smaller number and we are supposed to find the difference. Simple. Got it? Vertically down you are supposed to go. The B part, 85,693 minus 52,470. Bigger number on the top, smaller number in the below line, and subtraction. 3, take 7 away from 9, 2, take 4 away from 6, 2, 2 away from 5, 3, and 5 away from 8, 3. So this is your answer. Right? You will move vertically down. So some numbers C and D are your self-attempt questions. C and D are your self-attempt questions. Right? You are going to write, after you complete your classwork, you are going to write the self-attempt questions heading and perform these questions. After leaving a line, write question number 4 in a dash form like this. Correct? Now the bigger number the question says write the bigger number on the top, the smaller number below it, and subtract. Numbers given are 2,85,679 and 1,03,864. Bigger number is 2 lakhs. Smaller number is 1 lakh. You remember chapter 1? We check the bigger and the smaller from the biggest place value. Now keep on subtracting. You have to borrow. And that's it. 1,81,815 is your answer. Let us do the B part. C will be your self-attempt question. 6,53,891 and the second number given is 8,06,000. The bigger number is 8 lakhs. So 8 lakh is going to be written on the top. You are supposed to subtract 6,53,891 from it. So you keep on borrowing from here, make it 10, borrow from here, make it 10, borrow from here and make it 10. Now do the subtraction part. Again borrow, make it 7 and 1. So this is your answer. Children, question number 4, C part is your self-attempt. Correct? How you are supposed to do your self-attempt questions? After you finish your classwork, write the heading self-attempt questions, write the proper numbering, and then do it. Question number 5. Simple. Find the difference. What is the key mantra? The key mantra is write the larger number on the top. So select which is the larger number, 1,23,000 or 1,02,000. Of course, 1,23,000 is larger. And I have to subtract 1,02,026 from it. No borrowing. A direct and a quick answer. Happy? Chaliye, let's move on. Find the difference where the minuend is 96,325 and subtrahend. I gave you the introduction of these two words. The bigger number is the minuend, the smaller number is the subtrahend. The key mantra of subtraction is write bigger number on the top, smaller number below it, and subtract. No borrowing, a direct and a quick answer. Yes? What number is the next question? What number is 2879 less than 12,000? Dear children, if someone asks you what number is 2 less than 10, yes, you will directly say me, ma'am, 8. And what we do? We subtracted 2 from 10 to get 8. So same thing we have to do here. We write the bigger number on the top and subtract the smaller number from it. Borrowing like this. Got it? So my answer is 9121 is 2879 less than 12,000. I hope it is very clear. I can give you example for understanding. What is, don't write this. This is just an example for you. Don't write this. What is 2 less than 10? Isn't it 8? And we have got 8 by the subtraction. So same thing we do here. Got it? Question number 8, children. Subtract the sum of 35,879 and 29,874. I am putting a bracket for you here. From 9,99,999. So first of all, in the first step, two-step question this is. We find the sum. Sum of these two digits, 35879 plus 29874. Add them. You get 65,753. Now again read the question. Subtract 65,753 because the answer to the sum of given two numbers is 65,753 from 9 lakh. Now you have to find the difference. Step 2 is the difference, the subtraction. 9,99,999 65,753. 65,753. You get 6, 4, 2, 4, 3, 9. 3, 9. This is going to be your answer. I hope I have made the sum very, very clear to you. Question number 9, children. There are two parts. First, you write the number from the number name and then do the subtraction. Let us do that. Subtract. I am now writing the number from the number name, reading it from the book. 48,812 from 1,04,681. So the ones who have stopped practicing chapter 1 can do mistakes here. I told you should practice mathematics in the holidays. Now the bigger one is 1 lakh and the smaller one is 48,000. Subtract means find the difference. 11, 7, 16, 3 remains here. Make it 13. First it will become 10. 9 will remain here. This will become 0. So this is your answer. Similarly, I am going to write the number out of the number name in the B part. 6,02,402. 6,02,402 from 8,12,916. Which is bigger? 8 lakh is bigger. Which is smaller? 6 lakh is smaller. So you subtract it. No borrowing, direct answer. So our exercise finishes here, and so our work for today. We'll meet you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye till then. See you.